everyone, welcome back. Today's video is not going to be of any product review or any kind of cream or a body wash or anything of that sort. So you can see here on your screen I have got some mud or some soil with me, and I have another bowl and I have another small bottle with me, and here you can see there's a plant. So I'm trying my hand in growing some trees and some indoor plants and stuff like that. So what I've done, I had some extra soil here in this pot, as you can see. So I have emptied some of the soil in this particular jar. I have lots of jars with me, which I'm going to use in my gardening videos and stuff like that. So in this particular bowl, you can see there are some seeds which have been soaked overnight for almost like 2 days, actually 2 nights. So these are your wheat wheat seeds. You can call them seeds, obviously, but this is your wheat, the wheat that is used to make chapatis and rotis and stuff like that. So that's the wheat, and I have soaked this almost over 2 nights now. So I'm trying to grow some microgreens into this jar. So here I am going to start taking some seeds, some of them in my hand, and start putting into this particular jar. You have to press it really hard so that it goes really down, and try to cover it up with all the soil. Press it really hard, and in case if you cannot press it and it's not going down, you can pull all the soil up and try to cover the soil onto the seeds. So I put quite a bit of wheat into this particular jar, and now I'm going to open my bottle and start pouring in some water.
Standing still as I let go of your cold hand. I surrender, lips are dry, and all the things we
Here you can see
were never what you wanted.
I'm going to put some extra soil onto this so that I can cover these seeds up.
Ignored it, I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, but if there's nothing left to offer, then I would just crack a smile.
I'm going to put some more water. That's it. That's it. So this is the jar, and I put water, and the seeds are almost immersed into the soil. So now we are going to put this under some sunlight, if we are getting some sunlight, because it's a rainy season. You can see there is water all over. So we'll put this into some outer sunlight, and I'm going to put this here only in the window. After some days, let's see how they sprout and how it looks. These are going to be like microgreens, which I will be using in my salad or maybe my vegetables or stuff like that. So that's it. Hi guys. So here's an update after 2 days or 2 nights of me immersing my wheat grains into this jar. So here you can see there's this really tiny white moss like thing coming up from the grains, and then there are these green little stems that you can see. So they've started to grow now. What I do, I just keep on adding some water, little water every day, maybe little bit in the morning, little in the evening. So they've started to sprout. I'm really happy. We'll keep you posted with the next few days also. Let's see. Thank you. Hi everyone. Here's an update for day 4 and day 5. So this is how it has shot up. It started to grow a lot now. Guys, here is an update. This is the last day of updating, I would say. So you can see it has grown a lot, and I'm so happy to see, because I mean, I know it's a very simple thing to just plant some grains in a pot or in a jar and then it just shoots up, but when you do it yourself, I think it gives you so much happiness. It's just superb. And the best part, there is a lot of greenery now. I can see to my eyes, or to my balcony, because earlier there was just nothing, and now if you see, there's a lot of green. So apart from this, like I said, I've been trying my hand in gardening and planting trees and stuff like that. So I have had more 2 plants with me. I have a shoot of snake plant, and I have another snake plant here, and this is another one. So I have divided this particular plant in 2 parts, and I'm going to put this also into another pot. We have another pot with us. So wow, there is so much of greenery. I'm so happy, and I'm going to plant some more trees. So as I plant them, I will give you all an update of this. This is another hanging one, which you can see I've put it right on top, and this is how it looks beautiful. So even if you guys like having a lot of greenery around you guys, please plant trees. Plant they just help you better your mood, and we should have a green thumb. I think that's very important. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.